In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a space on Perplexity AI if you've organized conversations, notes, or research into spaces, and one of them is no longer needed. Removing it helps keep your workspace clean and focused. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, along with a few tips to make sure you delete the right thing with confidence. Start by opening your Perplexity AI account. You can do this on the web or in the app. The process is essentially the same. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use multiple profiles for work and personal projects. Taking a moment to verify that you're in the right place will save you from removing the wrong content. From the main interface, look for the Spaces section and click it. This is your hub for all the spaces you've created or have access to. If you don't immediately see spaces, check the main navigation or sidebar. It's usually prominently placed. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your spaces. Take a second to confirm you're about to work with the correct one by checking its name and any brief description you may have added. Click the space you want to delete to open it. Inside that space, find the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click those three dots and then select Delete Space. This is the official action that signals you intend to remove the entire space and everything it contains. You'll be asked to confirm deletion. Read the prompt carefully and confirm to proceed. Deleting a space is permanent and cannot be undone, so make sure you truly no longer need its contents. If other collaborators are involved, remember that deleting the space will remove access for everyone who had it. If you don't see the delete option, you might not have permission to remove that space, in which case you'll need the owner or an admin to perform the deletion. Once you confirm, the space will be removed from your list and your workspace will reflect the change right away. That's all it takes. Open your Perplexity account, click Spaces, open the space you want to remove, use the three-dot menu to choose Delete Space, and confirm the deletion. Thanks for watching. Keeping your spaces tidy helps you focus on what matters most, and now you know exactly how to delete the ones you no longer need.